Well, hello new friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa. You are welcome to my home. In today's video, I will be doing a quick spring refresh in my bedroom, just on my little corner, nothing much, but I always like to change and switch up something for the new season. So if you would like to see how I put all of that together, you definitely want to keep on watching. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please feel free to look around and subscribe. Join the family. And as you can see, this is all I have going on. I don't really do too much. First, because I got little kids and they like to play around with stuff, but I decided to show it a little love. I'm gonna start off by switching out my lamps. I got a new lamp that you're gonna see in a second. There you go. Beautiful. It was $39.99 from Home Goods. I like all the dimension going on there, and it was the Mac Studio brand. Really nice lamp. I like the gold and white details on it, and the fact that it even comes with a USB port, that is an extra and a plus for me. Next, I'm going to be rehousing this marble tray. It's a marble and gold tray that I also got from Home Goods about 3 years ago. I've always had it in my closet. I've been using it as a jewelry holder. It was $12.99 and I've had it for a while. I'm not even sure if they still carry it, but I'm going to be using it on my nightstand. It is a perfect size to hold this single wick candle holder from Bath and Body Works, and it is silver. And here is my Tiki Beach 1-wick candle from Bath and Body Works. I do not plan on lighting this candle. I'm just gonna let it sit there and just open it up, and it's been smelling so good ever since. I've had it open for weeks already. And as you can see, it fits perfectly on the middle circle on my marble tray. Next, I also picked up this floral arrangement from Home Goods. Guys, this looks so cute and beautiful. I am absolutely in love. I love the touch of greenery it has going on, and the pattern and everything, all those dimensions going on really match my lamp as well. And it was $14.99, as you can see. I love it. If you guys are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This is a brand new channel. Feel free to share with your friends and family. On this channel, I will be sharing a lot of home organizing, shop with me videos, and DIY. So if that is something that you would like to see, you want to subscribe for more and hit on that notification bell so you would be notified each time I have a new upload. I got this Be Honest, Be Kind sign. I don't even know where I got it from. I know I've had it for a while and it has just been moving around my house, really. So yeah. Now as you can see, this corner is looking so empty. So I picked up this big tall vase from Ross. Yeah, it is so cute. It is a blend of gold and silver, really beautiful, and it was $11.99. It was the perfect size and height for my corner right there in my bedroom. And I also picked up these beautiful flowers that I got from Ross. They were $5.99 a piece. Yeah, really cute. I really love it. And I decided to pick up this pink one the second time I went there and found it, because I had already purchased the white one, which I'm going to show you in a moment. I had already purchased the white one, so I just went back to get the pink one because I wanted to bring in a little color, because if you notice, I just tone it down a lot around the house. I don't go too crazy with the colors. So I just think that with the arrangement that I've already put together, this pink will just bring up that touch and give me my desired result. And I've always had this gold star, and I use it as a holder for my TV remote, and I just tuck it right in there, and it is perfect. It is away, from everything, and we both know where it's at if we need to turn on the TV. So yeah, and as I mentioned earlier, the reason why I really like this lamp is that it actually comes with a USB port, so you can charge your phone. I like that fact because that is my side of the bed, so I like to just be on my phone and just relax. So I like the fact that I can charge my phone even when the lamp is not on. As long as it's plugged into power, I'll be able to charge my phone. So that was a plus for me. Guys, I must say that I did not even realize that was there until I got home. Been thinking and shopping around for a mirror. I wanted a mirror right over the nightstand. So after a few weeks, I was lucky to find something that I liked, and I would show you guys in a second. I did go back to Home Goods and Burlington because I just felt like something was missing. So I will share that with you in a bit. And here we go. This is a few weeks later, and I found this so beautiful. So guys, I got the mirror from Home Goods. Yes, this mirror was from Home Goods, and I think it was 30, was it 30 or $40? One of the, yeah, it was either 30 or $40, and I just put it right here, and it just helps to tie in this space just the way I wanted it. Yeah, that's my laptop because I always use it at night when I'm relaxing and trying to work on my business and all of that stuff. Yeah, and then this that I showed you earlier is from Burlington, and it was 29. Yeah, it was $30, I believe. This was $30 from Burlington, and I really like it. You see all of that? Yeah, the 3D dimension, I love it. It's really, really cute. Almost looks like stones. So beautiful. I love it. I think it was worth it. Yeah. So there you go. I think I'm done with my little spring refresh. Yeah, not doing too much. Like I said, this is my little spring refresh. I hope you like the outcome of it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Let me know in the comment section below what are the different things that you do around your house to get ready for a new season. I know we're still in winter, but technically in my mind, summer's canceled. Like I said, it's canceled. So I am looking forward to spring, and actually the weather's getting better. So yeah, you can't beat that. Again, thank you so much for joining me, Mansa, in my home. Yes, my home, my happy place. Until I see you in my next one, love on your families. Hold them tight while you still have them. And I will see you in my next one. And above all, have fun in that home. I will see you all.